Hi, welcome to another video in the series. In this video, we're going to be adding stiffener details, aka columns, to your floor plan. Alright, so we're going to be adding these to our floor plan before we move on to the next. So we're going to be a bit extra in this video with our stiffeners, because I'm going to be drawing them in detail. Or maybe not. Let's not do that and waste any time. Alright, so we're going to be drawing three types of stiffeners. We're going to be drawing one that is a rectangle. So rectangle command, click, and I'm going to make the width 150 and tab key, then the height is going to be 300. So we have a stiffener that we call an eye stiffener. As you can see, it looks like an eye. The next stiffener is an L stiffener. Alright, and that is basically looks like an L. So it basically goes down 300, I believe, then it goes across 300, then it goes up 150, then it goes back across 150, then it goes up 150, then it goes across 150. So looks like an L. The next one is a T. Alright, now it looks like this. So we're starting on our left and we're going down 150. We're going across 150. We're going back down 150. Back across 150. Going up 150. Going across 150. Going back up 150. And if you're going to enter the measurement here, it will be 150 and 150, 300 plus another 150, 450. Alright, or you can just draw the line across. Alright, now once you have these, we're going to be hatching these pattern here. Alright, so we're going to click on hatch, or you can type H on your keyboard and press enter. Up here will change and we're going to find the hatch pattern called AR conc. Click on that and then click in the space. Alright, after you've done so, press escape, then press enter again to reactivate the hatch command, and then click on the others. Press escape again, activate the command again, and then click on this one here. Once you have done so, let's place these on the relevant layers. I believe I have a stiffener layer. Yep, we do. So let's go. We select all of these and we're placing them on our stiffener layers. Alright. Now I'm going to be doing the same thing that I did with the windows, where I simply select each one of them and group them. You could turn these into block as well, but no need to go through all of that fancy stuff. Alright, where if you're doing more drawings, you won't need to redraw it. Alright, so these are our stiffeners, and as you can see, we're going to be placing them now on our drawing. So I'm going to be copying the first one here, and I'm going to be placing it wherever there's a elbow corner. I call them elbow. Alright, so this one here. So I'm going to be rotating this, or enter, click, and then rotate it so it's in the same orientation as the corner here. So let me grab onto it and let's place it in the corner. Alright, now one thing I like about these now, I can simply just mirror it around and get it where I need it to be. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Alright, so let's go. We have that one there and we want it to be over in this corner as well. So we're going to mirror it. So we find our midpoint and we mirror it to the other side. No. Alright, we also need it to be down here as well. So we're going to mirror it down there as well. So we're mirroring it around as long as I can find midpoint. If I can't find midpoint, it means that I'll have to do some work. So that one was a bit off, so let's move it. Alright, so now it's where it should be. Alright, so we have it there. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to copy it as well. And I'm going to place it to every corner where I see where it needs one that is similar. Alright, so I need one there. I could also put one here if I wanted to. Not really necessary, but I'm going to. Alright, everywhere I see where one can go. Alright, now For over here, I need one. So I'm clicking on this and I'm going to mirror it to the other side. All right. Then now from here now I can probably copy it and place it at the corners that do need it. So for example here, and I could copy this one here and place it in this corner here, I believe. All right, something like that. Now for my eye stiffener, I'm going to be placing it on long continuous walls. So for example, I'm going to be placing it on the center of a long continuous wall, such as I could do it here if I wanted to, but let's not go all that extra mile. I'm just putting it at one location, for example here. All right, nowhere else that I'm going to put it. Or T will be at junction where 3 walls meet. All right, so I'm going to copy this and I'm going to place it wherever 3 walls meet. So for example, let me zoom out and zoom in. Right here, that's where 3 walls meet. All right, here as well, I'm going to put it there. I'm going to put one here as well. All right, and this is because it's in the same orientation as where my current stiffener is. I can also put one here. I can put one nowhere else. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be rotating my stiffener to a different orientation. I'm going to be placing all stiffeners at location where they look like this, or they're oriented in this fashion, such as here. All right, where else? Here. All right, other location that looks similar is here. Other location that I see, I don't see any. So I'm going to rotate it again. I'm going to rotate it so that it is flipped the other direction. So I'm going to rotate it so it looks that way. Then I'm going to be copying it to the locations that it needs to be. So one here. All right, so just in case they want to do addition, go upstairs, things like that, they won't have any problems. They have a strong house. All right, here. Where else can we place one? Let's see. Junction where 3 walls intersect. So we have finished up down here, in here, in here, in here, all of that there. All right, there. So we only need, I think we need a, we could put a little corner one, or a L-shaped stiffener in a corner where I see the bathroom there. So for example here, all right, we could drop one there, and I'm going to put an eye stiffener. I'm going to put an eye stiffener along here, right there. All right, to support that little section there. All right, so that is all the stiffeners that needs to be added to this plan here. All right, now again, this AutoCAD file will be linked down below, so you can access it, as well as the drawing template, so you can use it in your practice drawings in preparation for your exam. This video will be titled adding stiffeners, drawing and adding stiffeners to your floor plan. Please again like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.